So we got the two new lifters in, and we got the cylinder head back. So put the two new lifters right there. There you know the color. So cylinder number 2, this is cylinder number 4, cylinder number 6, and as you can tell, cylinder number 8 has new lifters. It's already been soaked in oil overnight. Got the cylinder head cleaned up. Ready to drop the head back in. So here's the new, well, we're not gonna say new cylinder head, but this is the cylinder head that we had rebuilt. As you can tell, got pedals and metals right there. Casting number 243 6.0 GM. And I know you guys probably said he got this head on the concrete, and it's protected by cardboard. So, and we're gonna put the new gaskets on new bolts. We didn't want to take a chance with these rollers, these lifters, these roller lifters. We didn't want to take a chance with them, so we ended up putting the two new ones because we were having a misfire problem in cylinder number 8. So, process elimination, while we have the head off, I know we should replace all eight lifters, but the other cylinders didn't have any issues, so we were just only concerned about cylinder number 8. So, by the cylinder head is off, we just went on and replaced it. So, we're using genuine GM goodies. So we got 15 head bolts here. Those are little ones. There's the mid ones, and there's the longest one. And one valve cover gasket. And the head gasket, genuine GM head gasket. There you go. Right here in Pedals and Metals, we recommend genuine GM parts for GM vehicles. We recommend GM parts for any GM vehicle. Ford parts for Ford vehicles. Chrysler parts for Chrysler vehicles. So, we don't have stuff here. So the head is torqued down. We're ready for the next step. So what we're going to do, we're going to check out the misfire data on this Corvette. Like I said before, it's misfire cylinder number 8. Let's see where we at. Data display.
We were basically, when we do get caught up to a point,
misfire data.
The cars are going to be all logged with everything. Again, it's just...
Y'all how many cars are around here now, though?
So cylinder number 1, 0 misfire. Cylinder number 2, 0 misfire. Cylinder number 3, 0 misfire. Cylinder number 4, 0 misfire. Cylinder number 5, 0 misfire. Cylinder number 6,
That one goes fuel injection.
0 misfire. Cylinder number 7, 0 misfire. Cylinder number 8, 0 misfire. And that was our main concerns. Cylinder number 8. It had multiple misfire. The car was not passed the mission. Would not pass the mission test. So today we are seeing 0 misfire. 2007 Corvette 6.0 V8 LS2. We had a slight misfire number 2, but not enough to turn it on the check engine light. I'm sorry, number 6. But our main concern was cylinder number 8. There you have it. Problem is solved. Leave a comment. Thank you very much for checking out my video. This is Trim It 6 and Pedals and Metals over and out.